Okay, so I got my little refrigerator. I'm a little disappointed. This is a 5x7 picture frame. So they made it look like it could hold a couple of waters standing up with some other things. And the only thing will fit in here are those little tiny waters. To get water in there, I would have to take that shelf out, and then it would fit 4 waters standing up. I graduated from the $40 one to get one a little bigger, and this one isn't any bigger. This, I mean, I don't know what would fit in that. My fingers. I don't know. I hope it's cold. That's all I can say, because I will send it back. Come on. I know that it was useful for cosmetics and such, but it also definitely showed regular bottles of water in there with food. That's no. That's it, babes.